Hi, I'm Mimi Chang, and I'm from Middletown, New Jersey. And you know what? I just got back from work. Look at me, I'm still dressed in my work outfit. But I'm in a house by myself. The husband took the boys out to a football game, so I have the night by myself. Now, sometimes you feel like just doing a pizza, but sometimes you want to do something that's elegant and delicious and low carb. Why not take the opportunity to be healthy when you don't have to worry about feeding others and pleasing others? It seems like when I feed my family and feed my friends, I want to make sure that I'm going over the top, making it very delicious, making it very indulgent and overabundant. But with me, sometimes I want to scale it back, but not take away the elegance. So tonight, I'm going to make a beautiful, elegant dinner. It's going to be salmon over broccoli puree, and what's really going to make it special, it's going to have a Thai chili sauce that really wakes it up. So the first thing we have to do is make the sauce. The best thing about all this is a meal that's going to be done in 30 minutes. You want to start off by preheating your oven to about 425, and after that, you just want to get the ingredients for your sauce. And this is a go-to sauce. In fact, when I make it, I always say, make a lot of it. Because if you have extra, put it inside an ice cube tray, freeze it. So when you need something to jazz up a chicken breast, jazz up a salad, take out one of those ice cubes, let it melt, and then drizzle it. All this is a 1 to 1 to 1 to 1/3 ratio. It's 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then about 1/3 tablespoon of water, just to stretch it out a little bit, dilute some of the pungency of the fish sauce. So we do that. Once you have that, add what you have in the house. Today, I'm adding a little bit of cilantro to it, and I'm going to add a little bit of chili pepper to this. Right now I'm using serrano, but you can of course use Thai bird chili peppers, or you can use just a jalapeno pepper because they're always readily available. And just mix that up. You don't want to season this. No salt, no pepper, because the jalapeno chili pepper, whatever pepper you're using, and the Thai fish sauce is going to add the salt and the pepper that you would ordinarily need. So let that rest, and that is done. When we make the broccoli puree, I find it's such a healthy way to add that feeling of comfort. Instead of doing mashed potatoes, I promise you that when you do my broccoli puree, you'll almost feel that same comfort that you get when you're doing a mashed potato. What you want to do is you want to boil your broccoli for about 10 minutes in very, very hot boiling water that's salted, just like you would do for pasta. So it gets really, really soft. And then you're going to puree it, add a little bit of cream. My boys love cream cheese. Sometimes I do butter. But right now, I feel like doing a little bit of heavy cream because I had some left over from a glaze I made over the weekend. And you're just going to get something that looks like this. Okay? It's just a beautiful green broccoli puree. It's got a little bit of salt and pepper in it. It's got a lot of heavy cream. I'm just going to puree it so it becomes very soft. I have put my salmon in the oven when we had started the sauce after the oven had preheated. Now, everyone always says that broiling salmon is quite easy, but I never thought so. Whenever I broil salmon, it feels like it's burnt on the outside, undercooked on the inside. So I figured out a way. For my portion, I cook it about 425, about 20 minutes. And the last 2 minutes, I put it on a broil. And here's my secret. When I cook my salmon sticks. So 2 things I always say is cook it with the skin, and before you put it on your pan, put it on a bed of lemon. It infuses the flavor of the salmon subtly, and it prevents the fish from sticking to the pan. So you have that beautiful piece of fish. I always say, even if you don't want to eat the skin, cook your fish with the skin. Just like I always say, cook your chicken with the skin. You're going to get so much added flavor that you just can't replicate. So once you have it, you're basically done. You're just going to take a spatula, as we have here, okay? And you're going to just take this right off. Do you see how the peel just comes right off like that? And it's just lemony and it's infused. I'm going to put that right, actually I'm going to put that right there because first what I would like to do is I'm going to put my broccoli puree down. Okay. Doesn't that look delicious? That looks so beautiful. And then you're going to lay this beautiful piece of salmon that's been infused with the lemon right on top. And finally, you're going to take that really pungent sauce that adds so much to everything. And you're just going to drizzle it on the side, like that. And that's just going to add that strong Asian flavor that I just love so much in my dishes. You got the garlic, you got the hot chili peppers, you have the cilantro and the fish sauce. And then, for added measure, I'm just going to put a little bit more cilantro on the fish. I think my dog, Flashy, loves this too. He loves the smell of fish sauce. Alright, I want to make sure they get a good look at this. So I'm going to move this over and let you see this beautiful dish that I have made. And we did this within 30 minutes, and I feel like I'm going to get such an elegant meal for really very little effort. And I'm ready for a nice Friday night. Thanks so much for watching. It's Mimi Chang, and I hope you got something out of this. Bye.